In the heart of Singapore, where innovation meets nature, Sea Hover Technologies leads with sustainable, cutting-edge solutions. From here, we create future-ready solutions with precision and purpose. Our people, inspired by nature, drive innovation with empathy for both industry and the environment. With decades of expertise, we deliver precision at every step, from design to assembly. Collaborating globally, our solutions are built for durability, performance, and trust. Every detail, from tape making to reeling, reflects our commitment to quality. Beyond work, we connect with nature, because strong teams create lasting solutions. Design, manufacture, test, calibration, all under one roof. From custom cables to CNC machining, every step reflects our pursuit of perfection. We engineer for longevity and a lighter environmental footprint. Nature inspires our values of harmony, resilience, and adaptability. From our flagship product, the SHT2002 UTI, to tomorrow's breakthroughs, we grow through innovation and collaboration. Creativity drives us. Sustainability guides us. Join us on a journey to expand your horizons and ours. SHT, sustainability, harmony, technological innovation.